It's purple. Keep going around and around. Keep going around and around and around. Round and around. Okay, now can you do this letter?
And more?
Yeah. Do you need more water? A little bit more water?
Yeah, go get some more water. I will color this.
No, you can get water out of the cup right here. Just put it in the cup for a second. Okay, now take it out. Hurry. Take it out and put it in the purple again.
Okay.
And then paint the letter. Put more purple on there.
Paint the letter?
Yeah, right here. Don't stab it. Nope, don't do that. Here, put more purple on there. Ooh,
You like that?
I do.
You want more?
A little more. Okay. Ooh.
What's happening here?
Okay, now put the brush in the water.
Yoda.
And what color are you going to do for Mommy next? You already did pink, you silly. You want to pick a new color? I like...
I'm gonna pick black.
Okay.
Oh, there.
Do this letter?
No, let it turn in black. Let it turn in black. It turned in black.
Okay, this one.
This one.
Ooh, cool. A little bit more?
Okay.
I love it, buddy. Now what color?
That's not your black. That's a different for black. I like your black on there.
Are you all done with black?
Hmm?
What color are you going to do now?
How about tiny bears on there?